Let fx be 4x minus 3 over x plus 5, a rational function, polynomial divided by polynomial. Find the domain. So domain means all x values for which this is defined. This is defined as long as the bottom is not 0. So we need to avoid 0 making x numbers on the bottom. So x plus 5, the bottom becomes 0 where? X plus 5 becomes 0, subtract 5 for negative 5. X equals negative 5 makes the bottom 0. So the domain is all reals except negative 5. All reals except negative 5. If you want to write in terms of interval notation, so negative infinity through negative 5 union negative 5 through all the way. So when we write in this way, negative 5 is not included. Okay. Find the vertical asymptote. To find the vertical asymptote, we simplify the given function. Simplify means if there are common factors on the top and bottom, we cancel them. But this is already simplified. There is nothing more to simplify. 4x minus 3 is a block. X plus 5 is a block, by the way. And vertical asymptotes means once we simplify the function, set the bottom 0. It's about same as domain most of the time. And the bottom becomes 0 for x equals negative 5. So x equals negative 5 is the vertical asymptote. Part C, horizontal asymptote, HA in short. Now we compare the degree of the top and the degree of the bottom. We compare the degrees. So in this question, 4x, there is 1, x1. The degrees are same. When the degrees are same, then y equals the ratio of leading coefficients. Is 4, is 1, they are the leading coefficients. The ratio of leading coefficients is the horizontal asymptote. So y equals 4 over, there is nothing means 1, 4 over 1 ratio of leading coefficients, or you could have just written y equals 4. Final, that's the horizontal asymptote. And it asks you to find the x-intercepts. All the time we set the another variable 0. So x means we set the y0, y means function 0, y or fxm, set the function 0 and solve for x. Those x values are x-intercepts. So we set this function 0. So we set 4x minus 3 over x plus 5. So 4x minus 3 over x plus 5. 4x minus 3 over x plus 5. This function equals 0 and solve for x. Okay, is a fraction equals 0 and this 0 is same as 0 over 1 and cross multiply to solve for x. This one times 1 is 4x minus 3 equals this one times 0 is 0. Now to isolate x, add 3 to the both sides plus 3 and divide by 4. So 4x equals 3. 4x equals 3. So x equals divide by 4, so 3/4. So that's the x-intercept. And sometimes we write 3/4 comma 0. Same thing. This is the x-intercept. Now to find the y-intercept, we put x equals 0 and solve for y. So f x means f0 equals, what is the function, by the way? The function was 4x minus 3 over x plus 5. We just put x equals 0. So f0 equals 4 times 0, 0 minus 3. Just minus 3 on the top, 0 plus 5, just 5 on the bottom. So y-intercept is negative 3/5. Or sometimes we write 0 comma negative 3/5. That's the y-intercept. Or this is the y-intercept, negative 3 over 5.